Hello everyone, and in this video, let's take a look at an accessory from Telesin called Skateboard Camera Mount. An accessory that's designed to literally mount your GoPro camera to the edge of your skateboard and capture low-angle perspective closely to the ground. So, if you like skateboarding and you are looking for some new angles to capture with your GoPro, then this video is going to be for you. So, inside of the package, we have a skateboard mount, a 90-degree short extension, a screw, and a metal wrench. So, the idea behind this accessory is very simple. You just have to tighten it on the edge of your skateboard using a small knob at the very bottom. You can either mount it on the back of your skateboard, recording what's behind you, or you can choose to record your shoes on the skateboard. And here it is, how it looks like. You can also attach it at the front of your skateboard for a different perspective. Notice that the plate that touches the bottom adjusts itself to the angle of your skateboard. So you can attach it to the flat surface or slightly curved one and it's gonna hold on. It also has some rough, anti-slippery surface to prevent it from sliding out due to excessive vibrations. Once you tighten it up, it really feels solid and this mount isn't going anywhere. We also have a short extension to turn your camera in a 90 degrees angle, so you can mount your camera on the side of your skateboard. I also tried to use extension mounts to get a slightly further perspective. You can mount it at the front or at the back, and this is how it looks like when you use it. The metal wrench that's included in the package helps to tighten the screws more securely than if we were to do it by hand. There will be lots of vibrations on your skateboard, so you really want to tighten it up all the way so your camera won't tilt. I would definitely recommend this mount if you have a longboard, perhaps a cruiser. I think it's gonna be good where you want to travel from one location to another. I don't think it's gonna be a good mount for doing tricks. I think it's gonna be quite risky and you can easily damage your camera. So, if you're looking for some other unique angles to capture with your GoPro, you should definitely try mounting it with a curved adhesive mount to the bottom of your board. I also highly recommend you to check GravGrip V2, an accessory that allows you to capture low angle shots with ease and helps stabilize your camera on a tilt axis. I think this mount is simply a must-have for skateboarding and you're gonna simply love it. You can find my review on it in the description below. Okay guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumb up. This way you help me grow this channel even further. For today's video, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you guys in the next one.